Meaning of degrease.
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 Degrease. The term degrease refers to the process of removing grease, oil, or other contaminants from a surface. The result of degreasing is a clean and oil-free surface that is ready for further processing, such as painting or welding. Degreasing is commonly used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing, where cleanliness is crucial for product quality and safety. The process can be accomplished using various methods, including solvent cleaning, steam cleaning, and pressure washing. Proper degreasing is essential to ensure the effectiveness and longevity of the finished product.